Hi, my beautiful souls. This reading is for September for the Earth signs Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Please do not impose this reading onto yourself. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. This is a general message, a general guidance for the month of September. What is in store for you for the month of September? Universe, please show me. Please guide my dear earth signs. Hierophant, the Empress. Five of Cups. So you might be dealing with a Taurus, with Aries, Capricorn, and the Five of Cups is the Scorpio. Two of Pentacles is an energy of Capricorn. Five of Pentacles. My God, a lot of Pentacle cards. So somebody is concerned about their finances. They are not getting any clarity about their career. They are looking for some new beginning in terms of they want to change their job, they want to start a new business. So universe is telling me that there is a Taurus and who is connecting here. I mean, this is a very specific message that I'm getting. King of Swords is again air sign, Gemini. You might be connecting with a Gemini. Queen of Cups, sorry. Please show me. Ace of Swords. Bottom of the deck, you have Seven of Pentacles. So, my dear earth signs, somebody here is concerned about their finances. So it can be a legal relationship. You can be married, or you are maybe in a business and there is a legal contract, and this person you dealt with has betrayed you, and maybe things did not go as planned. So now you are juggling between job and between jobs. You are doing multiple jobs, and maybe you are looking for a side hustle as well to help you with the financial burden that you're currently in. And with the Five of Cups here, my dear earth signs, there is an opportunity coming towards you, but since you are so stuck and so over burdened with the debt that you are in, that you're not able to see this opportunity, and you are focusing on what are your weaknesses. So universe here is asking you to believe in yourself. Take a moment, and with the Queen of Cups, take a moment and just figure out what is there that you can what are the options available which you can explore to come out of the situation that you are in. With the Seven of Pentacles, the universe is asking you to try and explore what your best talents are. So maybe there are some people who went into a business because their friend wanted them to get into that business, or maybe they are currently working in a job because that was the only option available. But universe here is saying that you figure out what you are good at, and be like a king of the sword. You can actually conquer the world and conquer these you can overcome this situation that you are in once you figure out what is the best option available within your resources. So you need to figure out what resources you have with the Seven of Pentacles, You need to gather all your resources. Wow, there's an ace of pentacle. So this is a good sign. So once you figure out what are the options, the resources available with you, and how you can manage those resources to get out of the situation that you're in. And with the ace of swords, the universe is, what I'm getting is that the universe is telling you to, get, just do not listen to people who are pulling you down. So there might be family, friends who are telling you, okay, this situation that you are in is because you were not prepared for this venture that you went into. But do not listen to them, because this is your life, and you learn from your experiences. So do not get disheartened, and believe in yourself. Figure out what you're best at, and then maybe make a plan, and then revive of whatever business or whatever profession that you want to venture into. I'll just clarify. Please clarify for my earth signs, what do they need to know for the month of September. Even if you're applying for a job, please, I just focus and try and figure out what are your strengths. When you're going for an interview, just, there's a simple question which is asked every time, that what are your weaknesses and your strengths. And we, most of the time, we end up giving answers which are not the right answers. So think through what exactly are you good at, and just apply for those jobs only where you are 100% confident that you will get through. And even in business also, just look for options where you don't have to invest money from the day one. There are businesses where you can generate money without investing a lot of money. Page of Pentacles and Four of Swords. So yes, universe is asking you that there is a good news which is going to come towards you in terms of your finances. With the Two of Cups, there is a new partnership which is in store for you. But before that, before you take this new partnership up, you need to relax. You need to go within and figure out with the Four of Swords. Take some rest. Do not jump into this new opportunity that you're getting on, immediately. Take some time out, think through, work on your yes, the sun. So once you figure out what you're good at, once you figure out how you can overcome all your weaknesses, with this new partnership, there is a new beginning. This is the ultimate happiness. This is the best card in the tarot. This is the sun. This is a new beginning, abundance, happiness, love, career, everything you will get, my dear earth signs. All right, thank you so much for being here. I will see you for your next reading. Bye bye.